Dagris. All of Kevin town now come like deaf do you think mo siya nila Islam?
Such criminals, you know, all down staff located town. Please, police, get rid of them. You blow out community, you blow looking for suspicious places. All Islam facing as a staff community. Please, get rid of them or report to the police.
So kano sa you bin come up member of Kevin and ba you make one name knowledge na kind situation?
Di ka mablo keving. Ni vaksi ami o kata joint security forces all bakam na ready. You have a remote money staff there, please. The law will catch up on you.
Okay,
Keving in a big block.
you Dagris, you mangi compound you mangi enforce you.
Na iblakam na pinsem rice bloom dalo eh.
Tabla rice kam.
Iblating rice bloom bla. Rice shell puting bloom bla. Iblakam na kang pinsim.
But how you know sarala mipla two people ba Kevin too.
Am I right? But mibla serim rice, price bloom.